Temperatures are now so high that everything else has to shelter. The desert now belongs to the Earth's greatest solar specialist, the Saharan silver ant. At midday, when the sun is at its fiercest, they emerge to look for creatures killed by the scorching heat. Getting lost would mean certain death, so every few seconds they spin round, taking a bearing from the sun. When others are frying, these ants have solar tech to stop them from overheating. Special glassy hairs and shining bodies that reflect the sun's lethal rays. To get their prize back as quickly as possible to their underground den demands teamwork. Any technique will do. The push and slide. Even dune surfing. Some are already collapsing in the heat. Now the heat whips up violent gusts of hot desert air. For an ant, these are hurricanes. They must get their prize underground as soon as possible, and blown sand has blocked the entrance to their den. Any longer out here and they will be toast. One final effort. The last of the team race home. Shade, at last. Much of the land on our planet could become as scorched and lifeless as this if we allow our activities to continue to change the atmosphere.